Hello friends, I am Manak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you to another video. In this video, we'll show how to convert CAD file into Excel. That is, I want to convert the coordinates of this into an Excel file. So let's get started. So friends, here we have a raw data of one of our total station survey. This was a road and this was our downward slope and this was our upward slope. So I want to convert this data into MS Excel. So before going into that, let me first check the coordinates of one point. So this 98.81, it is the coordinate of Z. It is the Z coordinate, that is the elevation. So let me click here and then I'll press Ctrl plus 1. So upon pressing Ctrl plus 1, I'll just expand this window. I can see that there is our easting, northing and elevation. So we have the X coordinate, we have the Y coordinate and also we have our elevation. So now I want all these elevations into a single Excel file, or let us suppose say I want a table in this CAD file itself so that I can view all these coordinates at once. So I'll just select one of my points and then right click on it and then select similar. So as we can see, all the similar points have been selected. So after that, I'll just right click on any of the points and then go to clipboard and then copy. So after copying, I'll simply close this and I'll open a new window. After that, I'll right click and then go to clipboard and then we can use paste to original coordinates. So after that it has done the pasting. I'll just simply press Z enter, A enter. So after that I can see that there are some coordinates here. I'll just zoom it. See, we have our coordinates here. So I want to increase its visibility. So I'll simply type p-type. So after typing p-type, we can select, let's say, this option for the display of the points, and then we can set it to, let's say, 0.3 and we'll set size in absolute units and then OK. So as you can see that our points have been highlighted and its display size and patterns have been changed. Now I want the coordinates. So for that I'll simply select all, select similar, and then I can press DX, that is the data extraction, and then I can press enter. So after that it is asking me to save the file before we can extract our data. So I'll simply save the file before. Let's say I'll save it here as drawing 1 and then save. So after that a window has been popped up. Data extraction begin page 1 of 8. So it is saying that create a new data extraction or edit an existing data extraction. So I am to create a new and then I'll press next, and then it is asking me to save that, and then it is asking me the location of the file. So I'll simply save my file in my desktop. Let me name it as 11 and then save and then next. So after that I want my point only, so I'll press next. After that you can see that these are some category filters. So I want only geometry, that is I want only X, Y and Z axis. So I'll untick all of them. So now I have only position X, Y and Z. So I'll simply press next. And then I can customize my Excel file which I'll make, or my table which I can make accordingly. Suppose I don't want show name column, then the name column will be removed. If I don't want count also, then count will also be removed. So let's say, let me keep the count and then I'll do next. So after that, if I want a data extraction table into drawing, I'll tick it here, or else if I want only an Excel file, I'll simply tick here. It is asking me the location where I want to save the file. So I'll simply change the location to desktop and drawing1.xls. I'll simply save it, and then if I want a table also, I can tick this. So before that, let us view our Excel file. So I'll press next and then finish. So after pressing finish, I'll go and check my file in my desktop. I'll simply go to my desktop and then check our drawings. So as we can see that we have our count, we have our position X, our position Y and position Z. So all the coordinates we have here, if we want, we can simply replace it by serial number, suppose SR.NO. And then I'll simply click on here and then type 2. After that I will click this 2 and drag it. So we have in total 135 points, and we have the coordinates of our X, that is our easting, Y, that is our northing, and Z, that is our elevation. So that's all for today. In this video we had seen how to convert our points or coordinates from AutoCAD to MS Excel. So that's all for today. Bye.